All right, day one with the Naturnest rooftop tent. Gonna do a little video on opening it up, setting it up, and see how long it actually takes to set up. So currently have this sitting on the hook and road bed rack. Now I had to do some modification. As you can see, it's not a bully bar or anything, but this thing's secured. It's not going anywhere. Just had to make a little bit of a notch in there. So a little fabricating work to get this to actually seat on without having to buy anything else. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop this tailgate, hop up there, pop these clips, and open it up. All right. Well, now we're gonna open it up. Two clips that hold this on. Pop it. And it sets itself up. Have the side pouches that come out the window. The rain guard. That's it. So now there you have two choices. And the instruction manual clearly says you cannot put the ladder inside the closed tent, which is odd because that's how it comes shipped. Velcro off. And it's locked. Now with the tailgate up, you can put it here. Or tailgate down. You can also put it on the left or driver or passenger side. But I guess for this video, I'm going to do it from the back. It's got the door, which I'll show that more in detail when we get up there. It does have the LED lights on it, which unfortunately you're not going to see today. But we're about to take this on a journey here and give it a whirl. The one thing I do like about this one, which is why I waited, I like the rough country one, but I like the fact that this one has the luggage rack, so you can carry other items on top of this, and so you don't lose all that space up top. Because I've already lost space in the bed just for having that on there, but this will work. So now we'll go up. Go up in the tent and see what it looks like with two adults up in there. And I'm going to let Lori go up first. Lori?
Hi.
Hello. That's nice because I like the fact of being off the ground. So I'm 5'11", and even laying back. Here, I'll let Lori hold this. Even with your pillows,
You
like,
got a few more inches to get back at too.
yeah.
You got plenty of room.
But I would have said putting my. I'm gonna actually put my feet the other way.
Yeah, definitely. Makes sense. Oh yeah. Plenty of room.
Yep. Put the mosquito netting up. So yeah, or if you got rain and you don't want the wind coming in, you put this guy up too. This is nice. The mattress is comfortable. All right. All right. Whoops, sorry. That's gonna make someone.
Do you want this unzipped? Take them out, or can it stay zipped up when we pack it up? Like,
You know, no, I would say unzip it. And I like to. You get the door, which again, everything like the 3 doors have a mosquito netting. Pockets. And the LED runs along this. There's a USB cable at the end, which I have a USB lantern that I'll be actually powering that off of. I'm also going to be installing a 12-volt outlet in here. But yeah, I'm not going to put the netting for the door down. I think you get the idea. But yeah, this is plenty big for 2 adults. And the other nice thing is, since I put this tent on, I mean, I can still climb around, but you can see from my other videos, I don't have my jack on there right now, which I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get 2 more of the mounts that they use for the ladder. I'm going to use this, get 2 of those and attach them to the roof rack, and I'm going to actually use this ladder to be able to access my jack and my spare tire onto the spider roof rack. So far everything I have on here, I don't have any complaints about any of these items. I've researched them, I've put them to work, they've done well. Customer service wise, everyone's been pretty good. Do gotta say, I've reached out to Tiger, the guy that makes the spider roof rack, And for months I was just trying to get some parts, and I don't know if the guy was busy or what, but I have a text thread with him where I don't know if he was blowing me off or just too busy, and I just kind of gave up trying to contact him for parts. So this is a little added, I guess, disappointment with Tiger from Spider Roof Rack. It's, you know, makes a really great product. His customer service just kind of sucks. And you know, the other videos I did on the Spider Roof Rack, you know, a lot of people, which you can read in the comment threads, were buying his racks from, you know, my little dinky video I put up there. And I needed some parts, and unfortunately the guy couldn't come through for me, but it is what it is. But this video is about the Naturnest, and so far this thing is awesome. This is exactly what I needed. It's exactly what I wanted. It's a 4-season tent. You can use, and I live in the northern states, so this is perfect. One thing here I will zoom in on, because I'm not going to video us shutting it. It shuts almost as easy as it opens. Opening, it sets itself up, but there's a rubber seal here. And after the installation, you know, just right out in the neighborhood when I was setting it up, drew a lot of attention. The one thing you do got to be careful of, and look at your tent when you shut it, is make sure the tent material is not in between the rubber seal, your weather seal right there. Make sure it's not between there, it's not coming out between the seal. So when you shut it, you know, you'll see it the first time you use it. You know, some of that material wants to pop out. Just push it back in, and then once you pull it down and seat it, you'll be fine. So that's how I'm going to end this video. This is the Naturnest, and as of right now, we're going to be using it in about a week or so, and I'll do some update videos as I start putting this thing to work. But installation was fairly easy. I just had to modify this hook and rode rack. Other than that, stay tuned for the next video after it gets used, and I'll have a better backdrop other than hearing a highway up top there. Alright, thanks for watching.